Are you getting low customer traffic on your website? Want to increase your customer base and generate revenue by offering reward points? Well, here we are with an extension for your Adobe Commerce Store.
Increase customer engagement, boost sales, and maintain customer loyalty using this extension for your marketplace. Hey guys, I'm Satyam this side, and today we'll be going through Magento 2 multi-vendor reward system extension. Using this extension, the marketplace vendors can easily provide reward points to their customers. The vendors can allocate customers reward points based on products, categories, or cart amounts. The reward points can also be assigned to the customers based on their behavioral activities such as posting a product review or signing up on the web store. Customers can redeem their reward points on the checkout page for new orders and can also track them through email notifications and their accounts. Now, let's check the working of the extension. But before that, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates from us.
Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configurations to get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video.
Alright, now let's check the working of the extension. So here we are on the Magento 2 dashboard. So in this, we have already installed the Magento 2 marketplace along with the Magento 2 vendor reward system extension. So now let's go to its configuration settings. Let's click on marketplace reward system. Alright, so now we'll get general settings of reward points. So now let's go through the settings available. We have the enable reward system module. This is basically to enable or disable this the extension. Here we have one reward point value is equals to, this is basically to convert the reward point into the currency of your choice. Then we have maximum reward points can assign to a customer and maximum reward points which can be used by a customer. After that, we have allow reward points on registration and reward points and registration. Then we have allow reward points on product review and the number of reward points to be awarded for that product review. Then we have order placed reward points calculation based on. Here we have three options available. Let's check them. We have product based, card based, and category based. We'll check them. We'll check all the three of them in a short while. Now we have apply reward point based on global or seller wise. So in the next option we get reward information. Basically this is the information page that will be available for the customers on the front end to view, and which will be explaining how the reward point system will be working. Here you can enable it. You can input the content and input the reward page title, display a banner and input a banner image in it as well. You can also include the banner heading, the banner text, the reward page labels, and the reward page content. You can also include a reward flow image and upload an image of your choice. I'll quickly show you how it will look like on the front end for the customers, and you can customize it as per your requirement from the given options here. So here is the reward points page that we just created here from the reward information settings available. So these are the information that has been input, and that can be viewed here on the front end accordingly. And this page can be viewed by the customers. Alright, let's move forward. Here we have manage reward email setting. Here you can see two options: email notification for transaction and the transaction template. This is basically when a customer will transact, they will get an email according to it, and accordingly the template can be set. Alright. So that is it for the configuration settings of the marketplace reward system. So now let's save it. Now let's click on marketplace management. Now under reward system, we get reward points on product. Let's click on it. Alright. So basically here you can enter points and reward and enable or disable the reward point status on the basis of particular products. Here the product list is available as per the list which has been listed on the marketplace, and you can accordingly assign a reward point for that particular product or even do it in bulk. Here we have the bulk option available. Alright. So the next option we have is reward points on category. Similar to previous one, you can assign a category, basically the categories that have been created in the marketplace for the products. On the you can assign the reward points on the basis of the product categories. Here you can enter the points. You can enable the reward point status as enable or disable and update points, and you have the bulk option available as well. Now let's check the third option which we have available, which is the reward points on cart. Here we already have a reward a cart rule available. So now let's check what are the settings available in it. So basically you can type the reward point for the cart is basically you can do it in a fixed or a percentage wise. So choose it accordingly, and then here on the reward point you can choose the amount of the number of reward points to be awarded, and to choose the cart amount. This is from amount from and then amount to. Now you can either choose it to be the admin or for particular sellers as well. You can also set a particular date range till which that this cart price rule would be active. Here we have the start from date and an end date, and you can enable and disable this rule as well from this option. You can also add a new cart rule as per your requirement. Now let's check two additional features which is the reward points which can be awarded on a sign up and a product review. This is for the customers. Alright, so here we are on a front end. This is a sample product which we have available. Now if you go to the review section, here we have listed submit your review to get 10 reward points. So basically when a customer will post a review, they'll get 10 reward points for it. Additionally, the customers are also able to get reward points if it is enabled from the admin on the basis of signing up. Now let's see a seller end dashboard as well, as they have similar functions available for this reward system extension. Here we are on the seller end dashboard. This is the dashboard available for the sellers. So as you can see, we have a rewards manager option available here for the sellers to manage the reward points as per their requirements. Now here you can see under the manage rewards, we have a price per reward and reward points calculation based on the three options, which is the product based, the cart based or the category based, and then reward assigned product quantity wise. You can set it as yes or no. Now similar to the admin panel, we have the manage cart reward, manage product reward or manage category reward. Let's check them as well. So this is pretty similar to the admin panel as well. Here we have amount from, amount to, reward point type as which can be set as fixed or percent, and we have the reward points to be awarded to the customer, and then we have the date range available as well. The seller can also enable or disable this rule. Then we have the manage product rewards as well. The seller can assign products reward points on the products as well. Here they can set the reward point and enable or disable it as well. Next we have the manage category. Here the seller can assign reward points on the basis of categories. Additionally, for customers, they have this reward points tracker available as well. Here they can track the reward points such as total earned, total spent or total pending as well. They can search by seller, select type, credit or debit, and select the status of the reward points that have been approved, applied, pending or cancelled as well. So there we have it, a comprehensive workflow of the Magento 2 multi-vendor reward system extension. If you have any more queries or require further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to us through support@webkul.com or create a ticket at webkul.uvtest.com. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.